Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 12th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 12 reads, the function W models the volume of liquid in millimeters in a container t seconds after it begins draining from a hole at the bottom. According to the model, what is the predicted volume in millimeters draining from the container each second? So, this is actually the same as a form y equals mx plus b. This is slope-intercept form. M is your slope and b is your y-intercept. Now, here, it's just in a little bit of a different form. It's y equals b plus mx. But your slope is still m. Your slope is always attached to x. And your y-intercept is still b. b is always alone. So, there's a way to do this in 5 seconds. If you know that the initial value is always your b, then you know the initial is 300. You know that there's 300 millimeters of liquid to begin with. And if you know that anytime you see the word each or every or per, then it means slope, then you know the answer to this question in just 5 seconds. According to the model, its predicted volume in millimeters draining each second, it's going to be 4. Now, if you don't know that, then check out Desmos. Desmos, you could use that as well to help to answer your question. You plug this function into Desmos, and it will give you a graph, but we're not really concerned with the graph. What we want to do is when we hit this edit list, the gear to the upper right of the equation, and then you hit the table, notice what happens. Keeping in mind that your t, here we call it x, each second that passes, remember that it was seconds. Each second that passes, notice what happens. It decreases by 4. Another second passes, it decreases by 4. Now, in order to get that, you'd have to pay attention that t is seconds, but you get it that way as well. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty knowing the ins and outs of linear equations. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button. And check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, to the playlists, you just have to find the test and section number, and the shorter videos are just underneath these longer videos. Have a great day.